Mm. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Oh, you know you make me float, float, boy, you really give me high. Ooh. Feel like I'm on dope, dope, 'cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, this tightest rope. Before you drifting me deeper. Baby, now hold me close, close.
Alright guys, so this is just kind of an overview of my desk space. So this one right here is an L-shaped desk that actually is like fully collapsible. And then this one here is a standing desk. I got them both in like a dark wood tone just because I wasn't sure what I wanted to go for, and I felt like white would probably get dirty. So I'm going to walk around and show you guys the inner part, but I gotta... Okay, hold on. Alright, so this is the desk, and I just have like some random papers. That's my laptop because I was doing some work earlier. Please excuse the background. And then this is my actual like workspace right here. So this monitor here and the laptop came from my employer. I ended up buying this one here for myself just because I realized I needed a second monitor, or third, I guess technically. I got a phone stand that actually charges my phone, my Apple Watch, and my AirPods. Starbucks cup, sticky notes just because I'm a sticky note person, as you can see. And then I have some blue light glasses. I also got that fan because it gets like super hot over here. Okay, so it gets like super hot over here for some reason, and I don't like necessarily running the air, like the full air, because I get cold easily. Plus, I don't know how much of it can be heard on the phones, so that is why I have the fan that just like blows directly on me. And then I also have an air conditioner, like a window unit that I can use. My hair looks a mess because I literally gave none when I got up this morning. I was like, I'm just get up and go to work. And so I got up and came to work. I need to like recurl my hair. Oh, because it's not working. Like when my hair is close to needing a relaxer, it does nothing that I want it to do. Like absolutely nothing. So that's where we're at. I actually had to restart my computer, so I felt like this would be a good time to show you guys because it like shows my company's website. A name on the back of the computer, so that's why I didn't want to do it while the computers were on. Also today I am going through, so this is my daily schedule. Can you guys see it? Alright, so that's my schedule for the day. I have a couple personal things I need to do, like I need to post some planner content to Etsy, because I had a couple people email me and I really wasn't even going to do them until people emailed me. I was like, oh, are you going to, is this planner going to be for sale? And I was like, well, I hadn't planned to, but I guess it is now. So I'm working on that. But it is so freaking tedious. It is so tedious to do the daily duo planner. I'll leave it down below in case you guys don't know what I'm talking about. But I have a daily duo planner in my shop and it is so tedious, and right now I'm going through and making it a July to June planner, and then I wanted to do another version of it that was like a boho neutral theme, which I didn't realize Erin Condon had a boho theme already, or a neutral theme, so that's great. Hold on, my computer like can recognize my face, so it'll sign me in, but I was too far away. So I'm working on that like in my break time, which is what I'm on right now, and I felt like I would go ahead and just let you guys know where we were at in what I'm doing it with my life. So I wanted to show y'all the thing because I realized in my daily vlog I forgot to upload it or put this, like, show it to you guys. So there's that. I'm in study time, then I have lunch, then we go into presentations and meetings pretty much all the way up until 4 o'clock this afternoon. So it is a lot of sitting, and I moved. So the reason, it probably looks weird, my whole desk setup, and the reason for that is that this desk is standing, but the HDMI cords and all of that, like, I don't know, to be honest. Like, I'm not in love with this setup, but I also need it all to be on one desktop so that if I want to stand up, I can stand up. Because right now I can only, if it was like it was before, one, it impedes like my view, so I can't see if someone comes in because the monitors are so big. And then also I can't spread them out if I'm going to use the standing desk feature. So I'm still trying to play around with it and figure out like what I want to do, but I digress. There's not a whole lot to show y'all with working from home because right now I'm in training until like the end of this month, and then I will be, well, maybe next week might be a little better, so I might do another daily vlog. If y'all like this one, I might do one next week that should be more in line with what my actual schedule will look like. And then we're also, I think, scheduled to go on vacation. Maybe not next week, but maybe the week after. I don't really know. I'm still trying to put everything together. Actually, that's on the list, is to work out the details of the summer vacation. So I rambled enough. I'm going to stop talking, and I will see you guys later.
Let's take this overboard now.
You guys, this has been like the most productive night that I've had in a very long time. I got clothes put up, I did my lashes, I wanded my hair. It's sticking up a little bit, and like my natural hair is trying to rebel, but it's okay. I did my lashes, I did my nails, I painted them. They're not perfect, but it'll do. I painted my nails, I did my lashes, I did my hair, I cleaned off my bed. Like, it's been a productive freaking night. Now I'm about to go work on this spreadsheet that I made last week. I'm going to show you guys. Hold on. All right, let's see if I can get over to my computer. Hold on. Okay, so I don't love this angle, but until I get a taller tripod, this is all I got. All right, so I was trying to show it to you on my laptop. Oh, maybe I need to turn the brightness up, but it was just not working for me. Let me see if this works. Okay, I'll see it now. Okay. This is not a really good representation. Basically, what I did was now that I have a portable job, for lack of a better word. I want to move, preferably to a bigger city, just for better opportunities. So I created 2 spreadsheets. The first one is called Move Your Butt. Yeah, see it? Maybe I'll try and screen record and show you guys. But basically, it is a moving budget. So I want to save enough money to move out and be comfortable, because the last time I moved out, one, I was in college and I just was not like mentally prepared to adult. So this time I went through, and what I did was I made a list of like all the things that I would need for to live on my own. So like a couch, coffee table, side tables, TV stand, like, and I sorted them by rooms. And then what I did was I went out to the side of it and I put how much each item costs. So from there I put in I did like a total of each room so that I know how much to save for each room. And then I also did so once I did that, then I did a bigger number to give me an idea of how much do I need to save holistically. Then from there I went in and I added in like for my deposit, for my utilities deposit, first and last month's rent, the application fee, like all of that I added in to give me a big total of how much I want to try and save. And then what I'm going to do is actually I bought these little things here. Matter of fact, I have a good one I can show you that. So I bought the like planners, and in this one actually I was making these the other day. This is crooked, I realized, but it just says beauty, and then this one says Louie, which is my dog's name. So basically what I'm gonna do is make different binders for each thing. So for moving out, I want to have a binder. For like miscellaneous things, I want to have a binder. For savings and debt, I want to have a binder, that kind of thing. So that is what I started with, right? Then I decided, okay, well, Patricia, while we're on this journey, let me slide y'all back some. There we go. That's a little better. Okay, so since we're on this journey, why don't you make another spreadsheet? And this one was inspired by a page that I got. I will link it down below. If you are into digital planning, you really may find this helpful. It is this one here. All right, so it is a turn the brightness up, a budget planner. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, so this is what I bought. It's a PDF version, which is fine, but I was like, you know what, Pat, I really want to have a Excel version of it. So what I did was I essentially created the same spreadsheet, or the same like PDF, but in spreadsheet form, and then I went in and I added totals. So I can put in my income, I can put in my fixed expenses, so like car note, car insurance, cell phone bill, like those sorts of things, my variable expenses. And then I also have a place where I can put in all of my different sinking funds. And then the spreadsheet will total up my total income, my total fixed expenses, my total variable expenses, how much my debt and sinking funds are. And it'll also tell me how much money I'm supposed to have left over. So basically it just does the same thing that this PDF does. So I can write it out here and then go in here and like key the figures in. But because I actually tend to work backwards, like I like this for planning forward, but for working backwards, so once I get paid, I like to work backwards. So what I did was I reversed this spreadsheet, and the reason I created all of this is because I am going from being paid monthly to being paid bi-weekly, and so I want to make sure that I am being smart with my money and making better decisions than I've made in the past. Like, you know, if I'd known all this stuff back in my 20s, I would have been golden. But anyways, so what I decided to do is on the flip side of it, so when I get paid, I put in how much I have in my account, how much I have in savings to like pay for stuff, and then how much I have in like an overdraft situation. and that tells me how much my total income is. Then what it does is I put in my expenses again, so everything stays the same. But once I pay it, then I take it out of budgeted and move it into actual, and I zero out that line and I adjust my account balances. So that tells me down at the very bottom again how much money I have left over to play with, or to put like back into sinking into my savings. So that is what I did. And I have I keep making extra tabs, so because I'm trying to do it for July, and then I did it the balance spreadsheet, and this one I'm probably just going to keep updating every time I get paid. But then I also like having it to look at going backwards, so I can go back to April, I can go back to because I was using a different spreadsheet at the time, but I can go back to April and go back to December, I can go back to these months and see, okay, how much money am I actually spending? Because this all sprouted, well, I told you guys where this sprouted from, but there's actually a spreadsheet that my sister sent me where you put in how much you spend per day. And baby, when I tell y'all that it humbled me, because I was like, oh, I probably won't spend any money during the day. And then I actually had to go in and write in my expenses. I was spending $20 a day, no joke, $20 a day. It started to add up, and I was just like, yo, what is going on? This is why we need to get ourselves on a budget. It was eye-opening for me. Also, I humbled myself very quickly, and I decided to do a calculation to see how much money do I spend on Amazon. And so every Amazon purchase I spent in a month, I'm not even gonna tell y'all the total, but let's just say it was embarrassing. Okay, it was embarrassing. So yep, I'm just gonna work on this spreadsheet for the night, because I think I have a week before I get paid again, probably a little more, but I just like to, I don't know, I just like working in it to figure it out. Plus I told my sister I would work on a wedding budget planner for her, so I'm probably gonna try and do that some too. It's only 11 and I'm really not sleepy, probably because of the Mountain Dew I had, so I'm probably gonna work for a little bit and then take my butt to bed. But I need to find, here they are, my blue light glasses, because oh, they're dirty. I tend to get migraines very easily if I'm staring at screens too long, which is problematic considering my job requires me to stare at screens all day long. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave me a comment down below. If you guys want to see this spreadsheet, I don't know, I guess I could link it or put it in I don't know, we'll figure it out. If you guys do, write it in the comment section below and I will work on it, because I haven't figured out how to get it so that other people can't mess with my formulas, so I'm still tweaking that side of it. But yeah, alright you guys,